What's good with it, YouTube? Hope everybody's having a dope Tuesday. I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on what it's looking like in St. Louis since the snowfall first started. Couldn't get out much at all yesterday. I did get out the parking lot, but I made it to the gas station. I turned on around because people was getting stuck, and your boy ain't got time. But yeah, looks like we got some snow melted. Most of the parking lots are starting to get plowed through and whatnot. I'm on my way to Snooks to grab some things because yeah, this is the first day I've been able to get out and into the store since Saturday. We had prepared for the storm, so we were somewhat good, but it's still some things that we need. So glad to be able to get out and actually head to the store. Got to get some dog food and stuff like that. So we about to roll up in here. The store is packed. We got slush in some areas where the sun is out, but I can see ice quickly forming tonight. So all of this wetness, it's gonna be ice because the temperatures are supposed to drop like well below zero in the upcoming days. Because we may not be getting more snow, they said, but we getting freezing temperatures. So that's something to be mindful of. But yeah, about to go in this store, grab some things, and then I'll give y'all some more views of what the road looking like when I tap back in with y'all. Y'all remember when I said I was happy to get out? I don't know. 10 to 15 minutes and $90.59 later. I didn't even get that much. I mean, I got the dog food, okay. I'm gonna find somewhere else to get that from now on. But as far as like milk, egg, cheese, cereal, lasagna, Texas toast, I did get a bottle of that Stella Rosa. You know what I'm saying? I didn't need it, but I wanted it. But minus that, we still at like $75. Like, I don't know if the grocery store is high in y'all area like this, but Snooks is high. That's why I can't wait till Deerberg's open up down the street, because they take advantage of being the only grocery store in the area. And I feel like a lot of urban or some of the more urban areas, because we got a mixed pot, or somewhat of a melting pot where I'm at right now. But I just feel like they take advantage, you know what I'm saying, of certain demographics. So yeah, don't come to Snooks. They claim to be the friendliest store in town. They don't speak to you, but they hide that thing. This is where I would normally turn, but look like they haven't done much that way. So we're not even gonna go that way. I'm gonna try to follow this bus route and see if I can get closer home. Closer to the house, I should say. Better. This is a bus route, so they're gonna make sure they come down here, salt it real good, plow it real good. I know that they're putting a lot of focus on the highways, and they're saving a lot of the residential streets for when they can, take care of those areas, which is understandable. Better going this way. little POV driving in the snow flow right now. Look at that situation up there. Like he might be going straight. I'm gonna go ahead and let him pass. Yeah, buddy. It don't look like they did much around my old block. I was looking to the street to the right, and I could see it wasn't as clear as it is going down this way. That's why it low-key pays to know the bus routes and other high traffic areas in which you know MoDOT, that's our road crew, will ride down and take care of it. I think what I'm gonna do is park at the school, cause look, they ain't went down that way yet, and I ain't trying to get stuck. So common sense tells me to come to the school parking lot, slide on up in here, park the G-Ride, and go on walk to his house. Well, my old dude house, I should say. Go check on Pops real quick. We done went from a POV driving in the snow to POV walking in the snow. About to get our walk on, because as you can see, they haven't thrown down any salt down these residential streets. And look at this build up right here. This is the stuff that gets cars stuck. Like low key. Like I ain't got time. So I'm gonna walk because I can do that. That's my business. Tab time, you know what I'm saying? But I know there is, like I said, another cold front coming in. I think it's supposed to hit more down south, East Coast, with the freezing temperatures and stuff. So if y'all like in that Texas, Oklahoma area, kind of in that region, I know East Coast gonna get it too. But yeah, y'all just make sure y'all bundle up and be careful, cause yeah, it's gonna get cold. What's going on now? Just got through talking with my neighbor. He was telling me that he actually shoveling this car out, and he was telling me he wished he had got him a 4x4 on this truck, opposed to just the regular version, because yeah, he said his truck be sliding all over the place in the snow. But like 4x4 trucks like that, ain't having no problem. He picking people up, dropping them off, doing this thing. Look like that salt I put down worked. At least that helped this area. And speaking of salt, man, tell me why somebody stole my unopened bag of salt yesterday. I'm up here shoveling my car, doing that and whatnot. Not even 10 minutes from my car, and somebody stole the bag. Craziness. This is definitely husky weather. Look at her, enjoying herself, frolicking in the snow, acting as if it ain't cold. And then when I'm ready to come in the house, she looking at me like, what, where we going? Where we going? Why we going in the house? Why we going in? Because I'm not furry, four-legged creature like yourself. We built different. She built for this weather. I'm not. I'm new to this. She true to this. Man. But I appreciate y'all tapping in. You know, staying down with the content. I did not check my subscriber count before I made this video, because I'm just in the mindset of just, you know, enjoying the journey, enjoying the content, enjoying the community, and yeah, just trying to put some good, you know, footage together for y'all. Keep y'all entertained, or y'all not entertained. But I'm gonna let her do her thing, and then I'm gonna high step it out of this backyard, cause yeah, the snow. Trying to keep them up out of my phones, but yeah, we changing the socks when we get back. It's that type of weather. I'm calm. I got a comment yesterday. It said, "Calm down," or something like that. Definitely calm right now. But I'll holler at y'all here in a little bit. Hey, while I got y'all here, look how deep these footprints are, though. I just noticed my footprints going into the snow. Like, let me give y'all I can like put my hand in there type deal. Craziness. But we get bipolar weather around here, and like I said, this is kind of how the winters used to be. I remember growing up, this seemed like we always had like pretty bad snowstorms at least once a winter. I guess we've gotten kind of lucky these past couple of years, not getting as much snow. Like we may get like the ice and all that, but consider ourselves lucky compared to what's going on right now. But I'm finna go ahead and walk back to the car. We could talk some more then. Little POV action for all the snow is beautiful folks. Hope y'all enjoy. Hey, how you doing? That was my neighbor. I don't think he recognized me though. I'm gonna say probably by tomorrow, they should have these roads looking a lot better, and I should be able to navigate down the street with my car instead of my feet. But yeah, man, like I said in the previous video, consider yourself lucky if you don't have to deal with any of this inclement weather. You know, I know we all deal with certain things in our respective areas. Some people deal with some things more than, you know, some people in some areas, they deal with, you know, different things they may consider, you know what I'm saying, more serious or whatever the case may be. But just keep in mind that no matter what it is and how you may deal with it, there may be somebody else that's struggling, you know what I'm saying, or may not have the means to navigate, or, you know, they just may not know the things that you know. So Just always be mindful of that. Yeah, it is what it is. My phone died, but I did make it back home. Just gotta close this video out. So I did make it back safely, just so y'all know. But be more like God. Tell somebody you love them, and I'll holler at y'all in the next one.